Day 12 of magical practice. The first 12 days of magical practice deals with the things which we have or which we have received in the past. And if we are not grateful for those things, then we can't be grateful for the things which we will be receiving in the future. Today's magical practice talks about the magical people who made a difference in our life. Everyone must have come across some people or someone who had impacted our life in one way or the other, by their guidance or by the help or the support or just being there with us at that particular time. We might not be realizing it because once we receive that benefit, we tend to forget it and we move on with our life. But as the life progresses, and one day when we sit down and look back at our life, we realize the impact that these people have made in our life. These people can be anyone in your life, your teacher or your coach, your aunt, your uncle, any family member, or it can be even your doctor or nurse, your best friend, your current partner, or someone whom even you don't know but who just came into your life for a short period and made a difference in your life that impacted your life for the better. Today's practice wants us to be grateful to these people. Today we have to take some time to sit alone and think of these three extraordinary people and speak to them as if they are present in us, and we have to thank them and say them why we are grateful. It is very important to let them know that our life has changed because of them. Our life has impacted because of them. And when we do this act of gratitude, we will be very happy and the feeling will take us to a next level. We have to speak to all the three people in a continuous session so that the level of gratitude will keep on increasing. But if we can't speak with them loudly or as if they were present in front of us, we can make a note of it. We can write it as if we are writing a letter to them. And when we complete this practice, our heart would have filled with happiness, because that's the magical power of gratitude, that it makes you feel happy, and secondly, it attracts the wonderful things in your life. And that's not all. When you find happiness while feeling gratitude, you attract more and more wonderful things in your life, and with that you feel even more happier. So that is the magic of life, and that is the magical practice of gratitude. Then we have to remember our day 1 practice, count your blessings. We have to write down the 10 blessings, why we are grateful for, and at the end of each sentence we have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before going to sleep, we have to take that magic rock in the hand or just close the fingers and think of the one best thing which had happened during the day and say thank you for being such a lovely audience. Thank you, thank you, thank you.